Welcome to the EWS Orion data portal. My name is Aaron and I'm an EnviroTech at EWS. In this video, I'm going to run you through your first login experience. First things first, log into oriondata.io. Your local EWS representative will have supplied you with a username and password. On your first time entering Orion, you'll be greeted with the map screen. Green pins indicate devices that are online and red pins indicate devices that may have gone offline. Moving around the map works as expected. Scroll to zoom and click to drag. When you click on the pins, you can see a quick overview of the device details and sensor channels attached to the device. By opening the sidebar, you can go to the device management screen. On this page, you'll see all your devices that are registered to your account. By clicking in the search bar, you'll be able to search for your devices via name, IMEI, or cell number. By clicking on the chevron to the right of the device that you want to look at, you'll be taken to its configuration screen. On here you can see more details including its name, IMEI, and location on the map in the right. By clicking on the Channels tab, you'll see a list of all channels and soft sensors attributed to the device, along with its last 7 days of readings. And finally, by clicking on the sensor data page, you can scroll through all previously recorded values on a particular sensor, change to a different sensor and review the data on that sensor. In order to see more or less data, you can change the start date and the end date of the displayed data, then export the table using the export icon above the table on the right hand side. We hope you enjoyed this brief overview of the Orion data portal. Please check in on the EWS YouTube channel for more videos and how-tos on interacting with our products in the near future.